And we go now to international news. A heat wave gripping Western Europe has led to a series of unprecedented temperatures highs, with France experiencing its hottest day ever. The UK is seeing record heat for June, and Spain reaching its highest daily average since 1950. Tens of millions of people are grappling with punishing temperatures, which hit almost 41 Celsius in Paris and have led to red heat alerts across swaths and the continent. France's national temperature indicator, an average of day and night temperatures across dozens of locations, hit 30 Celsius on Wednesday, the hottest day since records began in 1947. More than half the country remains under a red heat alert, with tens of thousands of homes in the West without power. And the Primetime News package continues with sports after this break.